No further redirect?
No further redirect.
Recross?
Did I have any impression?
Impression. Did you come to any conclusions about what was being discussed?
This is all I have right now. I have nothing in life. Forgive me, Judge, fuck this. I took care of you. I gave you 3 cars. I've given everything. Your mom has never done anything for you. Then Devin kept saying, no dad, no dad, no dad. Nicholas then heard Alex saying repeatedly, if you're a big man, do it. If you're a big man, do it.
Did you have any impressions after hearing that back and forth between Alex and his son? Have a seat, folks. Let's bring him in, fellas. Gentlemen, your appearances on the People versus Hackney.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. William Lawrence, P70481 for the people.
And good afternoon, Your Honor, to your staff. May it please the Honorable Court, Mohammed Daftar, 74485.
Sorry. You're all right. He's all right, Mr. Nassar. He's all right.
Doesn't state your full name for the record.
Thank you. We ready, fellas?
Yes, we are, Your Honor. We asked for a mutual sequestration order. There's a lot of people in the courtroom, but it's family going both ways.
All right, Mr. Nassar. All right, look around, fellows. Anybody in the room that shouldn't be?
No, not my judge.
We're satisfied? Let's call a witness.
Our first witness, and I believe our only witness for this examination, is Nicholas Narowski. We'll have 3 exhibits and a witness.
Mr. Lawrence, is it Morowski?
With an N,
Norowski.
like NERWSAI.
Gotcha. Thank you. Got that, Heather? Yeah. Sir, come on up front, please, all the way up. Would you raise your right hand for me? Swear, affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes, Your Honor.
Watch your stuff on that ramp. Sit in that chair. Make yourself comfortable. When you're comfortable, state your full name for me.
Nicholas Michael Narowski.
Thank you, sir. Your witness, Mr. Lawrence.
All right, thank you, Judge. Good afternoon, Mr. Narowski. Mr. Narowski, are you familiar with the street Conover Place in Romulus, Michigan? Yes, sir. And how are you familiar with that street? I lived there for always. And were you living there back in 2021? Yes, sir. Did you live in a particular house on that street? 14137 Conover. Did you know an individual named Alex Hackney? Yes, sir. And how did you know Alex? Who's my neighbor? And where was his house in relationship to your house on Conover Place? If you're looking at the road from my house, it'd be on the right. So he's your next door neighbor? Yes, sir. And if you're standing on your porch, is he your neighbor, next door neighbor on your right or your left? Looking out to the road, yeah. Okay. All right. On April 21st, 2021, were you home that day? Yes, sir. Had you been doing anything that day? I was working when I got home from work that day. Approximately what time did you get home that day? Around lunchtime. And who was staying at your house at this time? My fiance and my son. So the 3 of you were living in the house. Was your fiance and your son home on April 21st, 2021 when you got off work around lunchtime? Yes, sir. And how old was your son at that time? 3. All right, 3 or 4 years old.
3 years ago? Yeah.
When you got home from work, did you enter into your house?
Yes, sir.
Once inside your house, was there anything that got your attention?
A loud banging noise?
Yeah, and could you tell where that loud banging noise was coming from?
Yeah, next door.
And when you say next door, whose house?
Alice's house in the neighborhood.
And upon hearing that noise, what did you do?
Went to my window,
What window are we talking about?
my bedroom window.
And where in your house is that bedroom and that bedroom window?
Right next to at the end of the house, right next to the house.
Is it toward, so it's on Alex's side?
Yeah.
Is it toward the front or the back of your house?
Look at the front.
And which direction does the window you were looking at face?
The street.
Can you see Alex's house?
Yeah. The front of the house.
Can you see does Alex have a front yard?
Yep.
Could you see that front yard?
Yes, sir.
Does Alex have a driveway?
Yes, sir.
Could you see the driveway?
Yes, sir.
And you said you could also see the street.
Yes.
Could you see the back of Alex's house from that window? Okay. Does Alex have, did he have a garage?
Yes, sir.
And could you see that garage from that vantage point at your bedroom window?
No, sir.
All right, so upon going to your window, what, if anything, did you see?
I seen Alex grabbing Devin out of the car.
Can you describe this car?
But
But it was a, yes, sir.
Louder. It was what? Louder. Thank you.
And you said that you saw Alex grabbing Devin out of the car.
Yes, sir.
What side of the car was he grabbing Devin from?
The driver's side.
And where is this car parked?
Roughly closer to the road than it was pulled out and drive it.
In the driveway closer to the road than the
Yeah.
house? Do you hear anything?
Arguing.
And is it one individual or both of them arguing?
Both of them.
Was their voices raised?
Yes.
At this time, do you see any additional physical contact between Alex or his son Devin?
No, sir.
And where is this argument taking place?
Right next to the dog.
In the front yard area?
Yes.
Was there anybody else that you saw that was involved, or just Alex and Devin?
Just answered.
Could you see into the vehicle that was parked, the car?
Yes.
Was there anybody else inside that car?
Not that.
Was there any other vehicles parked in this driveway?
I was struck. I was struck, I believe.
And do you know where in the driveway that truck was parked?
Pulled up more, like next to the side of the house.
Closer to the garage than the street?
Yes.
Does the argument continue?
Yes, sir.
Do you ever leave this window, this bedroom area, bedroom window that you're looking out and observing all of this from?
For a second to tell my fiance what was going on.
And then after, did you tell her what was going on?
Yes, sir.
And did you return to the window?
Yes, sir.
All right. When you return to the window, what do you see next?
They sitting arguing for a little while, and then they ended up splitting up. Alex walked down the road, Devin went inside
Okay, you said Devin went inside. Where, inside what?
the house.
And do you know, was Devin living there at that time?
Wasn't entirely sure. I didn't see him very much there.
You understood this to be Alex's house, Devin's father.
Yes,
That's your next door neighbor.
yes.
Okay, so you said Devin went into the house, and where did Alex go?
We walked to the park down, and we walked to the end of the street and stood there. For a couple minutes.
And you observed him during this time?
Yes.
After a couple minutes, what do you see Alex do next?
We walked back to the house and walked to the back of the house.
Was Alex saying anything at that time?
Not when he was walked to the back.
When he got to the back of his house, could you still see him from your bedroom window?
No, sir.
But could you hear him at that time?
Yes, sir.
Did you hear Devin, at that time?
Yes, sir.
And could you tell if Devin's voice was outside or inside his house?
It sounded like it was outside. It was
Did it sound like he was in the same area that Alex was?
Yes.
And you could hear Alex's voice as well?
Yes, sir.
Could you hear what they were saying?
Parts.
Would you consider, you've testified that they've been arguing, was it still an argument?
Yeah, I would say so.
What's that?
I would say so. Yes.
Both people talking,
Yes, sir.
back and forth?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What happens next?
They started talking, or arguing about their life. Russian, I guess.
They're arguing in the backyard, or toward the back of the house anyways. Does there come a point in time where you see them?
Yeah, after the argument, like the argument subsided a little bit, and they walked back towards the front of the house.
Okay, can you specifically tell Judge Oakley what you mean by they then walk back to the front of the house? Like, who walks? Are they walking together or?
Devin's walking backwards towards the front of the road, and Alex is walking facing him.
Are they close to each other?
Yes.
Are they running at all?
No.
Do you see, do either of them have their hands raised?
Not when they were walking back.
Did you, how would you describe Alex as he's walking to the judge?
Pretty calm demeanor at first. As it was going in.
What about Devin? How would you describe his demeanor as he's walking?
They were both pretty calm walking as they were towards the road.
Did you see at this time any weapon in Alex's hands, first of all?
No,
Did you see any weapon on Devin at this time?
I did not see it until he produced the guns.
So as they're walking up the driveway toward the street, and you're able to see them clearly at your window now? And do you see a weapon in any kind of weapon on the person of Alex Hackett?
No.
Do you hear any threats of any kind at that time?
No.
All right, so what happens next?
They stopped right about midpoint east of the shark in the car, and Devin produced the pistol and pointed at him.
3
And
shots.
at that point, I ran
Just
to
like
the front
that.
of the house and
After all the arguing and tension, the situation exploded in seconds. It's hard to imagine what this
And,
witness must have
where
felt standing so
was-
close to it all.
Devin's dad. At Alex when Devin shot him 3 times.
I was standing right in front of him.
And when you say that you saw the actual shooting from your front porch, first of all, can you describe the front porch to the court?
It's an open porch. There was no canopy or anything.
And so if you're looking at the area where Alex and Devin were, and you're on your porch, which direction are you looking?
I was looking to my right.
And how long would you say it took you to get from your bedroom window to the front porch?
5 seconds. Right.
And so the actual shooting you saw from the front porch.
Yeah.
How close were you to Devin and Alex when you saw Devin shoot Alex?
Roughly 10 feet, 50 feet.
And was there anything obscuring your view at all?
No,
At the time of the shooting, did you, before or upon getting shot, did you hear Alex say anything?
not when they were up towards the front of the house.
When's the last time you had heard him say something?
When they were in the back,
At the time of the shooting, did you hear Devin say anything?
not at the time of the shooting,
When's the last time you had heard him say something?
towards the back of the house.
When Alex was shot, you said 3 times, did he fall to the ground?
Yes, sir.
How did he fall to the ground?
Just straight back.
And he landed on his back?
Yep.
What did you do at that exact moment?
When I seen shooting,
Yeah.
I ran inside the cell, I could call my fiance to call the cops.
And, what did you do after you told your fiance to call the cops?
I ran over to Alice's body.
Did you see Devin outside?
Right after, right before, I remember as we were doing the shooting, that he went inside.
Did you see Devin approach his dad?
Yeah, he stood over him and gave him a grin.
What do you mean by grin?
Just said,
And when you say stood over him, stood over what part of his dad?
his head.
And when did you see that? Was that before or after you ran into the house to tell your wife to call 911?
Before.
Okay. And so you see that, then you went into the house,
Yes.
then you said you went back outside,
Yeah, to the Shutdown house.
and did you go over to his body?
Yeah.
Was there anybody else outside at that time?
There was a car driving coming out the road.
But as far as at the body of Alex, was there anybody besides you? And you said Devin had gone inside?
Yes.
Was Alex still alive when you were there?
Yeah, his eyes were.
You mentioned a car coming down the road. Did you do anything in relationship with that vehicle?
Just yelled at them to call the house as well, and pretty sure she gave me her phone at that time. After phone,
Did you have your cell phone on you?
I didn't.
And why was that?
It was shocking.
Did police respond to the scene?
Yes.
About how long did it take following the shooting the police to get there?
Roughly 5 minutes.
Did you see the police arrive?
Yes.
And where were you at when you saw the police arrive?
I was standing in the yard.
And did you see Devin come out of the house?
Yes.
Did he have anything with him?
The cell phone.
And what happened when he came out of the house?
The cops told him to get down. He got down. Got put in cuffs.
Did the police officers speak with you at the scene?
Yes.
Did you also go to the police station for a report?
Yes.
Did you have any cameras, any surveillance cameras at your house?
No, sir.
At any point in time during any of this, did you see Alex throw a punch at Devin?
I didn't.
Other than when they got out of the car, did you see any physicality between Alex and Devin? Any laying of the hands on each other?
Not there at all. I was pulling him out of the car, trying to pull him out of the car.
About how long are we talking from their arrival? So you hear like a noise and that gets your attention. From Alex and Devin's arrival and through the shooting, how long was that about?
15 minutes.
Do you see Devin Hackney in the courtroom today?
Yes, sir.
Or can you just point to him and describe what he's wearing?
Thank you for the stipulation.
One more, Judge. Oh, did Alex appear intoxicated? Did you see any evidence of intoxication?
Judge, I would ask for a patient. He's not an expert in sobriety or anything else.
Response, Mr. Lawrence.
That's fine, Judge. All right, and while you were over the body of Alex, and you said I think you still saw some eye movement. Again, was there a weapon of any kind with him?
Objection asked and answered, Judge.
Any response? No response? Mr. Lawrence?
I think I had asked that before, Judge. Judge, I don't have any further questions for Mr. Morowski. I'll turn it over for cross.
Thank you. Cross, Mr. Nasser.
Please, court.
Come on up.
Mr. Ronsky, how you doing today? Good, how about you, sir? Very well, sir. Mr. Ronsky, I'm gonna ask you some questions. If you don't understand, please let me know and I'll try to rephrase it in a way that you can understand. Is that fair?
Yes.
Sometimes I talk a little bit fast. If I talk fast, please let me know, right? Now, Mr. Ronsky, you've had the opportunity to testify previously in this particular matter, correct?
Yes, sir.
And when you were testifying previously, you were being truthful and honest, obviously as you are today, correct?
Yes, sir.
You've had the opportunity to provide multiple statements to the police, agreed?
One second.
Yeah, you provided a statement at the scene, correct?
Yes, sir.
You provided a statement at the actual police department, correct?
Yeah.
When you went down to the Romulus Police Department, you met with them and you offered a statement, correct?
Yes, sir.
And at some period of time, you even spoke to an investigator, agreed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you've offered various different statements. Is that a fair statement?
What is it?
You've offered at least 3 statements, agreed?
Yeah.
Okay,
Got
including social media posts that you have, right?
one social media, I'll say it.
Ultimately, you took that social media post down, right?
I'll say it.
Okay, who asked you to do it?
Honestly, I don't remember. Probably someone could do it.
Okay, that's fair. All right, so let's start with this. It's April 21st, 2021, right?
Yes, sir.
You testified to the questioning of the fine prosecutor that at some period of time around 11:30 or so, you arrived home, right?
Lunchtime.
Lunchtime, you arrived home, right? So you came home early.
Yes, sir.
Okay, upon entering your house, you went upstairs, right?
I'll say this.
I'm sorry, upon entering your house, did you eventually, I'm sorry?
I didn't have it.
Oh, my apologies. So you entered into the living room or bedroom or whatever it is.
Okay.
Okay, and you are there with your minor child and your fiance, correct? All right, now, as you said, you're in your bedroom when you hear some type of fracas or commotion, correct?
Yes.
Now, the bedroom to this house is a window that faces forward, correct?
Yes, sir.
Are there windows to the side of your house that also view to, Mr. Hackney's home?
We had a big bay window in the living room.
Okay, but you weren't in the living room, you're in the bedroom, right? So there's a front window that looks straight forward to the street, correct?
Yes.
There's not side windows that are appearing at this particular house, correct? If you are looking at the house, you are looking to the right or left. If you're looking at Mr. Hackney's house outside of this window, in order to view Mr. Hackney's house, are you looking to the right or to the
I'm
left?
looking at both of our houses.
If you're inside, you said you
Inside, yeah, looking out to the road.
Yes. to the right.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're looking to the right. That means if you're looking at people that are standing in, so you said that Devin Hackney was backing up himself, correct?
Yes, sir.
So that means you are looking, if you're looking to your right, that means you're looking at his left, correct? Devin Hackney's left.
Yeah,
Right.
Or, be looking at the right side of his body as well.
Okay. And at some period of time, it's your testimony here today that you heard a loud bang, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and when you look out, was your window open or closed at this time?
It was close, but I opened it up immediately.
Okay, because you heard a loud bang, and is that correct?
Yeah.
And you were curious as to what was going on, right? You can't testify as to when these 2 individuals arrived, because you only hear a bang, which brings your attention to these 2 individuals, right?
What is your question?
Here's the question. You got home, right?
Yeah.
You didn't see Devin Hackney or his father, Alex Hackney, at the time when you arrived, correct?
I honestly don't remember.
Okay.
There before, so I didn't really.
You don't remember?
Right.
So, sorry, forgive me. So did you see them or not?
Yeah.
I thought it was the thing that brought your attention to them.
I guess I'm not understanding.
Okay. You're in the bedroom.
Right.
Your testimony here today is you hear about a bang, right? Which brings your attention to Alex Hackney and who you know to be his son,
Yeah.
Devin Hackney, correct? You arrived home around 11:30, correct?
Right.
You didn't see, and nor does any of your statements indicate that you saw these individuals upon arrival, correct?
I mean, like I said, I would be driving down the road, you don't really notice everything.
Okay, so it's fair to say you didn't see them upon arrival. It's something that brought your attention to that, right?
That more out of the car.
Okay, but you said you heard a bang.
Right.
Okay, so you hear a bang. Is that bang associated with somebody driving up the road?
I don't know.
Okay,
I heard a bang come from my neighbors.
okay. And you looked out your window to the left, right?
So the right.
You looked out to your right from inside of the bedroom, from inside of the bedroom. So you look out to your right,
That's
and that's what you see. You see them standing at the car, but you don't know when that vehicle arrived, do you?
Guess not.
Okay, that's fair. So what you do see is Alex Hackney grabbing Devin out of the vehicle, correct?
Not getting, yeah, he was trying to pull on the car, yeah.
Okay, there's nothing trying. You saw him pulling him out of the car, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you see that, and you hear elevated voices, right?
Yes.
So certainly it's not a pleasant conversation, agreed? You are at a window, your house is what,
And just like that, the testimony comes full circle. A neighbor heard a noise, looked outside, and ended up witnessing a tragedy that would later be dissected in court minute by minute. Cases like this remind us how quickly emotions can spiral out of control. What part of this testimony stood out to you the most?